My daughter and I go to Target like way more often than I'd like to admit, and we always go to Starbucks, and she gets herself a little cake pop and then I'm getting myself a coffee, and she always is into, you know, what I'm doing and wants to be like me, and so that's when I thought, well, I want to like recreate that experience in a play toy version. My name's MENNE. I run Cuddle Boutique on Etsy and I sell felt food. It started out taking me about 6 hours to make one of them. I had probably a dozen designs and none of them were just like coming together. And so I put it off for a year after PSL season was done last year. This year, it actually only took probably 2 tries. I started 2 weeks before the PSL launch date of August 28th. Originally, I had traced out my templates directly on the felt, but then I would have to trim very carefully around to get rid of the pen or pencil marks. I found out that you're able to use freezer paper and it's non-permanent. I do use a little bit of sewing machine for my donuts and my cake slices, but that's the only thing that I use the sewing machine for. And a lot of times the cute part is the stitching, so I try not to do too much on the machine. And this is where I keep my spare cardboard. So when I'm doing a cardboard template, I always make it about 1/16 of an inch smaller all around. You have to account for the stitching that's going to go on, and you don't want to pull on the felt too much. The first couple of pieces are the hardest because we're trying to get it to go around. Then once you have your bags in there, put the base on. I'm gonna put the cut back on. And then I always try to align my seam with this seam because otherwise it might just show a little bit. I think like the biggest takeaway is to appreciate what you can actually create with your hands and to just go for it and do it, and that great things can come of it.